Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to change keyboard language and type in any language of our choice in WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to select the contact. I'm going to select this contact right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply come down below here, click on this icon. Then click on this keyboard. And the next thing you need to do is to click on this icon. Then come down to languages right here. Then by default, I'm in United States English. Then you can simply scroll down here and choose another language. Let's say, for instance, I want to switch to Chinese keyboard. So you can see right here. Then from here, you can start to type in Chinese and send. So if you want to switch back to another language, what you need to do is to click on this button right here and then go back here, click on your keyboard, then click on here again, then simply click on languages. Then you can switch back to English language, just like so. You have switched to English language. So if you want to switch to another language of your choice, click on here again, click on languages. You can scroll down, and then this time around we can click on more languages. Then it takes us right here. So you can scroll down right here and download as many as possible different languages right here. Once you download more languages, it's going to be shown. Let's, for instance, I want to download this Hindi language. I'm going to click on done, Hindi language, and I'm going to select a keyboard right here okay, I'm choosing this keyboard right here and I'll click on done. Then by the time I go back to my language section, I click on here again, I click on this keyboard, then I have my Hindi language right here, which I can start to type in Hindi, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. Once you type completely, you can send, just like so. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply switch from one keyboard language to another keyboard language and type in whatever language of our choice in WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.